Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2121, is triggered in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus when the output voltage from the Accelerator Pedal Position, APP sensor A, is found to be out of its specified range. This typically implies a malfunction that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, can detect. The APP sensor plays a vital role in relaying the position of the accelerator pedal to the engine control system, thus influencing vehicle acceleration and performance. It is integrated within the accelerator pedal module, which is usually situated within the driver's footwell, directly connected to the accelerator pedal. If the sensor output voltage falls below 0.88 volts or exceeds 4.83 volts, the PCM interprets this as an abnormal condition and stores the DTC for further analysis. Addressing this issue properly involves examining various components, including the APP sensor, related circuits, and the PCM itself. The error code P2121 indicates that the APP sensor A is not functioning properly, signifying either a wiring issue or a problem with the sensor itself. The affected APP sensor, which is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, provides critical data to the engine management system about how far the driver is depressing the accelerator pedal. This information directly affects engine performance and throttle response. The PCM, located under the dashboard, acts as the brain of the vehicle's engine management, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. If an anomaly is detected in the sensor output voltage, it can trigger a range of drivability issues, making it essential to diagnose and address the fault as soon as possible. Several factors could lead to the P2121 code being triggered. One of the most common causes is a faulty APP sensor. This can arise from wear and tear, electrical issues, or manufacturing defects. Another possibility includes problems within the circuit connecting the APP sensor to the PCM. This could include open wires, shorts, or poor connections, all of which can disrupt the voltage readings needed for proper operation. Lastly, if the APP sensor and associated circuits are functioning correctly, the issue may lie within the PCM itself, which may require replacement if it is deemed faulty. Reviewing each of these potential causes systematically allows for effective troubleshooting and repair. The symptoms associated with the P2121 code can significantly impact vehicle operation. One of the primary indications may be an unresponsive accelerator pedal, meaning that pressing the pedal may not result in the expected increase in engine power or vehicle speed. Drivers could also notice erratic engine performance, such as stalling, hesitating, or rough acceleration, which can be both dangerous and frustrating. Furthermore, the check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an issue that requires immediate attention. Recognizing these symptoms early can expedite the troubleshooting process and prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P2121 involves checking the output voltage of the APP sensor using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The HDS should display the APP sensor A voltage. If this voltage is found to be less than 0.88 volts or greater than 4.83 volts, it confirms that the issue is present, and you should continue with further inspection. It's crucial to verify that the output voltage lies within the specified range to determine if the problem is with the sensor itself or other connected components. This diagnostic check lays the groundwork for further investigation, as it can help narrow down the fault to either the sensor or the connected circuitry. In the second troubleshooting step, focus on the PCM output voltage by inspecting the APP sensor. Before you begin, ensure that the APP sensor connector is disconnected. You will need to jump terminals number 4 and number 6 of the APP sensor connector using a jumper wire. After securing the connection, turn the vehicle ignition to the on position again. Check the HDS tool for the APP sensor A voltage. If the diagnosis returns a value greater than 0.88 volts, there may be a problem with the accelerator pedal module, which would require further inspection. If the HDS indicates abnormal voltage readings, it signifies that the fault likely lies in other related components connecting to the sensor or the PCM itself. Step 3 involves inspecting the related circuits, VCC1, APS1, and SG1. Begin by ensuring both the APP sensor connector and PCM connector are disconnected. The next task is to check the electrical resistance of each respective circuit to confirm their integrity. For VCC1, APS1, and SG1 circuit inspections, you should expect to find less than 1 ohm of resistance. If any of these readings indicate higher resistance, it suggests a break in the wire or a poor connection. Properly testing these circuits eliminates the possibility of wiring issues before moving on to inspect the PCM. If any circuit fails to meet the criteria, you must address these faults prior to further diagnostic efforts. The 4th step focuses on inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM. If prior inspections of the APP sensor and its associated circuits returned normal readings, it indicates that the PCM might be the component at fault. The inspection may involve checking for any error codes in the PCM, verifying its power supply, as well as ensuring proper communication with other modules. If the PCM shows signs of failure or doesn't respond correctly to input signals, replacement might be necessary. Replacing the PCM can be a more complex procedure requiring programming, so ensure that correct procedures are followed. It's crucial to follow up on any repairs made to confirm the resolution of the issue. Once repairs are completed, verify that the issue concerning the DTC P2121 has been resolved. Start by reconnecting the APP sensor as well as the PCM connectors. Before taking the vehicle for a drive, use the HDS tool to erase the DTC from the system. After clearing the codes, conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the accelerator pedal responds accurately and there are no abnormal performance issues. Pay close attention to any lingering warning lights on the dashboard and monitor the vehicle's response to input from the accelerator. If the issues have been rectified, the DTC should not return and the vehicle should perform normally. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2121, establishing a routine preventive maintenance program is essential. Regular electrical checks should be performed on the APP sensor and its related circuits, ensuring that there's no wear, corrosion, or breakage in the wiring and connectors. Also, periodic inspections can help in identifying potential problems before they escalate into serious faults. Additionally, employing routine diagnostics using the HDS tool can provide instant insights on vehicle performance metrics. By proactively maintaining the accelerator pedal system, you can reduce the likelihood of unexpected shutdowns or performance issues, ensuring a safer and more reliable driving experience. In conclusion, the DTC P2121 error represents a significant issue related to the accelerator pedal position sensor, which is vital for optimal vehicle performance. Systematic troubleshooting can help identify the root cause of the malfunction, involving checks on the sensor, circuits, and PCM. By following clear testing protocols, technicians can efficiently determine the necessary repair steps. Furthermore, engaging in preventive maintenance can aid in minimizing potential faults. thus enhancing the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's overall performance. Awareness and proper function of the APP sensor contribute to safer driving conditions and improved engine responsiveness. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.